Hello, let us learn how to read and write in millions. Reading, and writing in millions. In the course of your study, you would come across very large numbers in the million range, and you are then tasked to read them out. You cannot just go by reading them by individual digits, because now you know each of those digits have their place value. We're going to learn how to read a large number in its millions correctly, and also how to write the value of such numbers in words. For example, read and write the following numbers in words. First, we'll look at 4, 1, 3, 6, 8, 9, 5. And then secondly, we then consider 2, 8, 6, 1, 5, 8, 0, 2, 1. The first one we are looking at has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. And the second one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. How do we read these numbers properly? And then we learn how to write it in words. Let's start with the first. Solution. A. The number we are dealing with is 4, 1, 3, 6, 8, 9, 5. First thing you do in this case is to group it in threes. So after the first three, 1, 2, 3, you put a comma. 1, 2, 3, the next comma. This helps you to know which category in the place value they belong to. Remember that the first three falls under what we know as ones. The next three falls under the thousands, and then the next falls under million. So if you are to read this right, you start from the very first one from the left this time around. So this first one takes the place value of million. This takes the hundreds of thousand. This takes tens of thousands. This takes thousands. And of course, we have the hundred, 10, and unit. So to read this right, we start with the first one by saying 4. Then the place value, million. Again, 4 million. 4 million. The next one is in the thousand category. So we read the 3 digits together by saying 136. 136. Then the place value, thousands. 136 thousands. And then the final 3 digits will be 895. 895. So together, what we have here becomes 4,136,895. Now let's write that. We said 4 million. The next group, 136,000. thousand. Then the final three. 895. Now we have learned how to read and write this number in word. Now let's try the second. B. The number we are dealing with this time is in digits 2, 8, 6, 1, 5, 8, 0, 2, 1. This number is a bit different from what we have dealt with before. Aside from the fact that it has more digits, it also has a 0 within. So we will learn how to also read off numbers that have zeros in them. So like we did here, the first thing we do is to split it into 3 groups each, starting from the right. So 1, 2, 3, comes the comma. 1, 2, 3, another comma. 1, 2, 3. So since there's nothing left, we leave it like this. So we have 3 groups in this number. And for the first set of groups here, we have our units for 1, the tens for 2, the hundreds for 0. Moving on, we have the thousand, tens of thousands, then hundreds of thousands for the 1. And then when we get to the 6, we have million. The 8 has tens of millions. And then the 2 has hundreds of million. So now we know we are dealing with a number that is in excess of 200 of millions. So like we did, we begin to read them out just as we did in the first example. In this case, we start here also. And we have 3 digits here, which we will call together. Remember, they fall in the million category. So these 3 digits will be read as 286 million. You get that now? So you read the number and then the place value it falls under. 286 million. The next 3 is what? Yes, 158. And what category is that? Thousand. Good. You are getting it. And then finally, we have another 3 digits. But this time, unlike in this case where we have a non-zero, we read it as what? 895. But in this case, we skip the 0 and goes to the non-zeros. So 0 would not count, but we look at the 2 and 1, which is the tens and units. That is what we have here is what? 21 in the ones category. So 21. So if we read this together, what we have is 286 million, 158,021. Let's write that out. So we have 286 million 158,021. By following these steps, you too can become a master at reading numbers and writing them out in words. Go ahead and give this a try with every other number you find around you, and I'm sure you will get it right. Thank you.